We're looking at fractions with unknowns in the denominator. So the denominator is the base, while the numerator is the up. So upside is the numerator, this downside is the denominator. So now I want to solve this equation. In this equation, we need to find x. So there are different ways we can take this approach, mainly like two ways. We can either do the LCM of everything or kind of like cross multiply. So it depends on the approach you want to use to solve this. So let's solve this problem now. Here we are given that x minus 4 over 5 equal to 2 minus x over 2. So yeah, personally, I choose to use LCM to solve this. So the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Remember, this 2 is there's like an invisible over 1 there. 2 over 1 is same thing as saying 2. So just like this, there's like an invisible over 1 there. So LCM of this, 5 times 1 times 2 is 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times this, you are going to write like this: 2 times x minus 4 equal to 10 divided by 1 is 10. 10 times 2, 20, minus 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 times x, 5x. Okay, so then we are going to ignore the denominator and take all the numerator. The reason we are going to ignore the denominator is that we did the LCM of everything. So if you do the LCM of everything, after you've gotten the top side, just ignore the denominator, take only the numerator, which is this upside. So that is 2 bracket x minus 4 equal to 20 minus 5x. Okay, so 2 times x is 2x minus 4 times 2, 8, which is equal to 20 minus 5x. So let's collect like terms. Since 5x is here, 2x is here, let them meet themselves. Why this one is constant, so this constant should meet themselves. I want to move this 5x now to this place, and I want to move this minus 8 to this place. So moving this minus 5x to this place to change to plus 5x. So that is 2x plus 5x equal to 20. This one moving to this place change to plus 8. So this one will be 7x equal to 28. Okay, so 7x is equal to 28 over 7. So this is our final answer. You can choose to maybe leave your answer in mixed fraction or in decimal. It gives us 4. Okay, so our final answer really is 4. Okay, so let me just show you another method if I can manage this space here. Okay, remember we were given that x minus 4 over 5 equal to 2 minus x over 2. Okay, I want to do the LCM of only this part first. So doing the LCM of only this part first, it's going to be LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. Minus 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times x, x. Okay, now we have something like this. So we can choose to cross multiply. So this will multiply this will multiply this. So let's do 2 times this. I'm going to say 2 bracket x minus 4 equal to 5 bracket 4 minus x. 2 times x is 2x. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20 minus 5x, that is 5 times x. Therefore, let's collect like terms. Equal to 20. This one moves to this other place. You can see it's already the same thing as this place. So we can finish it up, the rest. So you can see either of these two ways. Choose. Either you want to solve it with this approach, then follow like this, or you want to solve it with this approach, you get the same answer. So let's try the second problem now. Now for this one, solve 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 33 over 2x. So this one also we can use 2 methods to solve it. Either we use that cross multiply or we do the LCM of everything. So let me use the first one, doing the LCM of everything. So let's change this one back to normal improper fraction. That is 4 times 2, 8. So 8 plus 3 will give us 11. So 11 over 4 plus 33 over 2x equal to 0. So let's do the LCM of everything now. So the LCM for this one now will be 4x. Okay, the LCM will be 4x. Take 4 and we'll take 1x here. So 2 can go in 4, so no need of saying 4 times 2, no need of writing 8 here. Though it will still give you the same answer, but I don't think there's no need. So if you take 4 and x, they fit the LCM to solve this. So therefore we can say 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times is 1, so x times 11 is 11x. Plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. X divided by x is x. So we are left with 2. 2 times 33 is 66. Which is equal to 4x divided by 0 times 0 is still 0. So we are going to take the numerator. That is 11x plus 66 equal to 0. That is 11x equal to minus 66. So finally x will be equal to minus 66 divided by 11, which will give us minus 6 as our final answer. Okay, so if you want to use another method from this place now, you can say okay, 11 over 4, let's move this one to this other side. It's going to be minus 33 over 20 over 2x. So let's cross multiply. So it's going to be 4 times minus 33 equal to 11 times 2x equal to 11 times 2x. So 11 times 2 is what? 22x. So 33 times 4 will give us 33 times 4 will give us minus 132 equal to 22x. So finally x will be equal to minus 132 divided by 22. So this will give us minus 6 as our final answer. Okay, so let's try this one more example. Here we are given 1 over 3a minus 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 2a. Okay, so let's do the LCM of everything. So the LCM of everything here will be 6a. I use 6 because 6 can go in 3 and 6 can go in 2. Okay, or you can say 3 times 2, 6. So you don't need of multiplying everything, adding everything here. And we have a here. So just take 1a. In short, let me just show you how to do the LCM. This is 3a. We have 2. We have 2a. So kind of like HCF. So from here now we know that we have 2. So 3a, 2 and 2, this one is 1, it remain only a. So we have a that can go in some places. So 3, 1, 1. So if we say put 3 here now, so it's going to be 1, 1, 1. Okay, so that means this one is just like 3 times a times 2. But if that is 3 times 2, 6, and a, so 6a. So you can see now this is 6a. So 6 divided by 3 will give us 2, as is 6a. 6a divided by 3a will give us 2. Okay, 6a divided by 3a. Here we can 3 in 6, 2 will give us 2, minus 6a divided by 2 will give us 3a. 6a divided by 2a will give us 3. 3 times 1 3. So we'll take only the numerator. 2 minus 3a equal to 3. So minus 3a equal to 3 minus 2. We move this 2 to this side. So minus 3a equal to 1. A finally will be equal to minus 1 over 3. That's our final answer.